Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna be messing with the Sandblaster. I really need to use it this week. So I'm doing is the vacuum system right here I have in the back. I need to take this hose and I need to put it through the wall going outside. This is the dump for the vacuum, so all the sand and stuff is going to be coming out through here. So I went to Home Depot to see if I could pick up a connector, like one of those what do you call those things, for the vents, for like the dryers that have like a flap on it, so when you turn the air on it opens up, and then when you shut it off it closes. I couldn't find one for the size I need here. This is like a 2-inch right here. Home Depot only sells 4 inches and up, so I'm gonna be making my own. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pretty much make a hole right here. Actually, I'm gonna go a little higher. I'm gonna make my own flap using the same piece right here, and then I'm gonna put some silicone right around here and let it dry overnight. So let's get to it. So I got my little Sharpie here, marker. So the height I'm going for is a little higher. So this is the height I'm going for, so I'm gonna mark with the marker. And then we're gonna go get the drill. We'll drill the top. We're gonna open it up. Okay. I don't know if you can see here, but let's move you over. Let's get you. So now I'm just gonna almost there, see? Perfect round hole. Perfect, we're in. Let's have a lip here though. Can I use that as a lip? Let's come out. No way, it might come out. Oh no, it's just like a dump. I wonder why they did that. Why does it have a hole like that for? And it has a cap on it. It's so weird. Or maybe to make it stronger? It has to be. Yeah, I'll leave it closed. I don't want no dust coming into the garage. Alright. So now I just gotta make a flap. So I'm gonna custom make one. We're gonna get a piece of metal. The same metal I'm gonna use. And just put it on with a hinge. Every time I turn on the vacuum, it'll open up. I just don't want any insects to crawl in here and live inside the vacuum. Perfect, right there. Alright. So let's go make, actually, let me just cut this out a little bit. Nice. Okay. It's perfect. Alright, be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get a piece of metal. Okay, guys, so I got a piece of metal. Basically the same as this right here. So now I got my tin snips right here to cut it. Basically how I'm gonna make the door is just like that. So I'm gonna try not to move it. Okay. So I'm gonna cut that with the snips. Try to get a perfect circle if I can. Just cut that out. There you go. Just cut a straight line here. Get the way. Okay. Now for this, you're gonna need like a little door hinge, small one, which I do have one. I remember seeing one in my toolbox. And I'm just gonna cut it up in pieces real quick. That's it. So basically, I'll show you what this is gonna do. So I'm gonna leave the color on the outside. So it's gonna go right over this. With a little hinge that screws onto here and screws into here. So every time the vacuum turns on, this will open up. I'll let the dust out. And then when I'm done with it, it'll close. The only reason why I'm doing this is, like I said earlier, I don't want any bugs to crawl in here. So let's get to it. Let me go find a little hinge. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got a little method I'm gonna do. I can't find a little small hinge. I don't feel like running to Home Depot right now. So I'm gonna make one. Tiny little hole I need to make. Okay, so made my tiny little hole. Now I need put it right here. Oh, little cotter pin. Let's test it out. Should work. Let's see if it works. Just till I could get a hinge. Plug it in. Let's turn this on. Alright, so let's say that's this. Yeah, it works. That work. I just want to get a little closer though. So I got to do this on the outside. So let's take it out. I got to put it through the wall and then grab it on the other side. So let's put this in the wall. I should have make a belt bracket to screw it to the wall, or no? Actually, no. Let's just leave it like that. Let's see. So just go like that into the wall. See it? All right, now I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna stick on the little flap. Okay, guys, so that's the creation I just did. It's just temporary. So when the vacuum turns on, it's gonna blow out. Alright, let's go test it out. Let's see. Where can I put you where you won't get wet? Let's go test it out. There you go, you stay there. Oh yeah, it did work. Awesome. All right. So let me go check how it worked. I'm gonna go silicone it on the other side and leave it there to dry overnight. And then as soon as I get the right hinge for this, I'll cut it down, bring it a lot closer to the wall. Thanks for watching, guys.